Have you ever wondered what's happening beneath your feet right now? Believe it or not, everywhere, Earth shakes almost every minute due to earthquakes. But why and how does it happen? Rocks under your feet are subjected to enormous tectonic forces. When they cannot sustain these forces anymore, they break, forming a fault, and release a phenomenal amount of energy in the form of an earthquake. Most of the earthquakes occur near the surface, where the rocks are brittle and they can break. Some, however, occur deeper down in the earth, where the rocks are subjected to tremendously high pressure, and therefore they are too strong to break. Scientists, like myself, love studying earthquakes occurring there. And we all have one big question. How can these rocks generate earthquakes? Here is where my PhD comes into play, by understanding the behavior of the tiny building blocks of rocks, minerals. In particular, I focus on a specific process called phase transition. Just like graphite turns into diamond, all minerals of the Earth can undergo a phase transition. At the atomic scale, you can imagine it like rearranging the blocks of a Lego house to make it more or less stable. Since we cannot directly see what's happening at great depth, what we can do is performing experiments at high pressure and high temperature that reproduce the rearrangements of the atom you can see in a mineral structure at depth. Therefore, we perform a phase transition. Some phase transitions are so big that can actually impact on a mineral properties. And here's where the things get interesting. Deep down, a specific mineral called quartz undergoes a remarkable phase transition. Over a tiny temperature interval, it is affected by major changes in its properties. With my experiments, I discovered that these changes are so big that can actually crack the surrounding rocks. It's just like you playing with your Lego house, rearranging the brick to create a structure so strong that destroys everything around it. So at depth, we have created a crack, and from this crack, an earthquake could be triggered. But quartz is just one piece of the puzzle. There are still many other minerals to study, and understand how they transform under high pressure is the key to unlock the secrets of deep earthquakes. Understanding this transformation can lead to better prediction and foresight. Thank you.